Alright, we're going to start a camera inspection after a jetting service. We have here some of the big roots. We're not able to cut it with the jetter. We attempt for many times, but we're scared of damaging the pipe. The higher we went was 4,000 psi, and we still couldn't cut it till a foaming product will be needed to use here to dry these big roots. But all the small roots were removed successfully. Here's another example. We unfortunately couldn't get that one out. We tried as many times. The marks you see on the top of the pipe, that's the jetter jets going around that area and after, but we couldn't get it out. Here again, we have one more. Another one in the bottom. One more on top. And here we have the main sewer line in the street. This is the exit point. The sewer is in great shape. Those roots that are behind, they're easy to be addressed with a foam chemical.